Oh, pink quartz sold out, Kim. It's sold out. She's in the dressing room putting it on. Wow, okay, let me show you what's left. 600 have already been ordered. Here's the Twilight. It's sold out, do you believe it? Wear it anyway, it's okay. Here's the Twilight. I love this one. I know, can you believe it? 600 ordered already. This is your very first look right now, and one sold out before we could even get it out here.
I told you it was going to sell out in the pink quartz.
Here's the sandbar.
Hope Mom got it.
I love the sandbar. I love the sandbar with the sea.
Look at the sandbar and how rich and yummy this looks.
And I'm going to turn it around just so you can see the back of it. Like, even the hood looks good. And then this is the one I almost wore.
Oh, this is hot
hot coral.
This hot coral. Yeah. I should have wore the hot coral because I had it.
I do love the hot coral.
I had it in the green room. Amy, this is the large hot coral.
Is it?
Yep, it's gorgeous.
Well, there it is.
So pretty. So 5 easy payments at $12.80, free shipping and handling. All right, 700 already ordered. Tell me about the Yacht Club.
So we like to bring you little capsule collections, right? And we're right here, we're approaching midnight, and I said, let's throw in a little Yacht Club in this show, Sandra, because it is that boutique chic, you know, moment. Yeah. It goes perfectly with your today's special value. Please pick it up before that price ends right here coming up
in like
at midnight.
10 minutes.
But everything about this sweater is money. The drape, the cuff, look at that cuff with the stripe, the tipping on the hood, the drawstring, the length. It is so luxe when you feel it. It's cotton rich, so when you feel it on the body, you'll know what I'm talking about. When you pull it out of that package, it just looks...
Look at it. You know what I like about it?
It almost looks like, you know, Ralphie.
It looks very expensive. It feels very expensive.
Boutique.
And it is truly a spring and summer weight sweater.
Yes.
It's 60% cotton, 40% rayon. So truly, I don't care if you live in Alaska or Florida. This is something that you can pop on a summer night.
Yes.
Like, it really is. I'm thinking like you're going to any kind of body of water. We go to the Jersey Shore here. You pop this on to go eat dinner. Like, it's perfect. If you want this hot coral, we have 450 left for the entire year. If you want the sandbar, and that's what Katya's been wearing, only 750 left for the year, and I have it on in the Twilight. We have 550 left in Twilight. 1,000 have already been ordered.
Yeah, it's special.
Going.
It's not something you're going to see everywhere. And when I tell you this fabric, this cotton rayon fabric, it's the gauge of it is not. It's not like paper thin light, but I would say it's a light gauge.
No, it's
you're
really
gonna wear
it's
this
a
with
spring and summer sweater.
You can wear this with your shorts.
Yeah. Now, like in the middle of the day, if it's 100 degrees, no. But like, there's going to be times, no matter where you live, in the evening, that you're going to put this on.
You're gonna put this on now,
right? Oh gosh, no, you'll wear it now. But I'm saying, like, even in the summer when it's hot, you live in some place like.
Amy will wear this on the beach, honey. She is always got a blanket on her. She'll sit with the sand
on the beach because of the breeze.
The breeze. So that's what I'm saying. Like at night when you're walking, the cruise.
Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. Will you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Will you hold the hot coral up to yourself?
Yeah.
So everyone who maybe has blonde hair,
this.
you can see how I think this color is so beautiful.
I love hot coral. I had this in the dressing room. I was tossing up. Do I do the hot coral or do I do the pink?
Well, you know what's funny? I had the Twilight and the hot coral and couldn't decide.
Yeah, but you're a Navy girl.
I do like Navy, but that hot coral is good.
Yeah, yes, you would rock this. But I know you.
I do.
I know. Can I just say you like that preppy kind of look?
I kind of do. It's true. I kind of do.
It's class.
Samantha just came out wearing the hot coral. It looks so cute on her.
Sam, don't walk away. Look, Sam came out in the pink quartz. There's no judgment. Listen, we listen and we don't judge, but that hot coral with that red head, come on now.
Beautiful. Yes. So Samantha is 5'2". She's wearing this. It's a top in a size small. Katya is 5'10". She's wearing it in an extra small. I'm 5'5", wearing it in an extra small.
I'm in a medium.
Medium, and you're
8
and a half. 5 easy payments, $12.80. Print quartz is already sold out. Get what we have left because you know who's going to be angry with Mary DeAngelis. This is a sweater I'm sure she's going to be like.
Well, this is the thing.
We do. Be gone.
Her and Rachel both are like, look, when we don't have our normal static shows and y'all stock up, you know, on these other shows.
This will not be on a Wednesday morning or Saturday night.
It won't make it. Can you look at the girls and look at the neckline on these girls? Look at that on Sam. You can really see it vividly on Sam and Katya.
Let's talk about the neckline. It's a little higher. I think it feels very chic.
That's it. Great shot. Who's doing the shots? That's fantastic. It's the reason you think it looks a little higher, it's the tipping on that hood. And then it's a peak. I could have put that drawstring on the orange. I'm like, no, let's go tonal. Let's do the drawstring on the hood. Let's tip it right here where it's seeing the hood onto the sweater. And then let's give it 2 subtle stripes at the cuff. This looks like this sweater should be a 1 in front of that 6.
This is the type of thing that, like, you see a woman wearing this and you just know she has good taste.
Oh, Sandra, this is your kind of sweater.
Oh, well, thanks.
No, I'm serious.
No, I love this sweater. Like, I feel like if I saw a woman walk into even like the coffee shop to get her coffee and she was wearing this sweater, I would just think, oh, she's got a good eye.
But doesn't
she knows
it
what
look,
she's doing.
But doesn't it look
casual,
styled?
But it's casual, but it's not. But it's very elevated. Like, this just goes to show you it is just as easy to look polished and pulled together. Linda just wearing the old college sweatshirt. Just as comfortable, just as easy to put on. It's machine wash too, but then you put it on, you look like this.
Yeah, I love this. I'm glad this is the last thing we're presenting on the Today Special Value Day because...
Me too, because I want to wear it all the next hour.
Okay, wear it all the next hour.
I have to change my clothes. I can keep it on for my next hour.
And it's perfect to go back to the Today Special Value. We made it to go back. I mean, you're looking at it on Sam in the hot coral and the seed, but you could do the hot coral. I'm going to show you this in your medium wash with the Today Special Value. Please.
That I love.
Look at this, right? In a little tennis shoe, no show socks, and you're walking out the door and people think, oh, little crossbody bag,
So
little lug crossbody.
This, you know, listen, I don't want you to buy something just because it looks expensive. I want you to buy it because you love it. But FYI, when you put this on, it looks and feels like a very expensive sweater.
Look at the black.
Because it actually is made like a very expensive sweater.
It is.
But
it's cotton rayon.
Kim only brings it here. We're able to do it for 5 easy payments at $12.80, free shipping and handling. Cotton rayon. This is your spring and summer perfect sweater.
It is. And it is, we call it yachty because we want it to, it has a little resort nod.
Yeah.
But it is that elevated boutique moment.
But guess what? Over half is already gone. Over half for the entire year already gone. You're seeing it for the first time.
We didn't bring in that many either.
Basically flying out of here. Sandbar, hot coral, and twilight. I love the sandbar. I think it's a little unexpected.
The sandbar is kind of like, it's kind of doing for me what the pink quartz is. It's a quiet luxury. You know what I'm saying? It has that elevated look. You're looking at this right here that is fully fashioned. And the tipping really, sandbar is such a popular color for us. We really can't keep it in stock, so they've started buying a little bit more of it because our buyers.
Imagine this with the Today's Special Value. First of all, I love it. I love the sandbar with the seed. Like, I think if you want to do a little, yeah, that is really
and then
gorgeous.
The white.
With the white,
can't go wrong.
My gosh, you mean you look like you spent some money on your clothes. Like, that is great. Okay, hot coral's last call. 150 left, and then it's gone. I'm wearing it in the twilight.
Can I just do this too?
I like that sandbar.
Look
oh,
at
that's gorgeous. Hang on 1 second. That's beautiful.
You go ahead, Sandra. This to me is like with a little white tinny or a navy tinny, or or y'all, the Hamptons, which I've never been. Dennis Basso, if you're watching.
Wait a minute. His house in the Hamptons. If you're ever going to go, you wear this and this together because his entire house is blue and white.
No, he said he was going to invite me to the Hamptons. I told Jane Tracy that.
To his house, it's beautiful.
And Jane Tracy said, "Are you sure?" And I'm like, "He did."
Are you sure?
She said, "Are you sure?" So Jane and I are that close. She's like, and then I'm like, Dennis has never invited me. I know he invited me. He's like, "Come anytime, darling." I'm still not there. And you know what else? Harry Slagman, you did the same thing. You've invited me on the boat. Because you know who would love this? His wife.
Oh, Laura.
So Laura bought a shaker knit that was part of the Yacht Club.
She is perfection.
No, he bought her one of our sweaters. He would die of this. He said he was going to invite me on the yacht. Have I been there? No, I haven't. I've been on a pontoon boat. That's about it. Not with Harry.
I've been on a paddle boat.
That counts. That counts for luxury and exercise.
All right. Here's the sandbar.
Yeah.
In the sandbar.
You got a fancy vacation.
Yes.
In the sandbar, we have how many left? 350 left.
Okay.
Here's the hot coral. 140 left. And then the twilight. 175.
Oh, this has been popular. I knew it would be.
beautiful.
It is.
Don't wait on this. It feels really good. You can put it right in the washing machine. And truly, it is your spring and summer weight sweater that looks so elevated, so polished. I love this little bit of the higher neckline. You can pull the sleeves up if you want. It looks expensive.
It does.
Feels great.
Oh, what a blessed day.
This is maybe my favorite thing that you had on the day.
It's great. It goes
This
with
is
it.
Today's special value.
Yeah.
My 2 favorite things you did today.
And I
You
gotta
did a
tell
lot of
you,
great things today.
Thank you so much for tuning in all day. I'm going to shop all day tomorrow, too, because it's free shipping.
Yep, one more day of free shipping and 5 easy payments on all fashion and jewelry. And guess what? Do you know what looks amazing under all of your clothes?
What?
Have you worn the Evelyn and Bobby bras yet?
Yes, honey. She's one of my favorite people, too.
She's a genius.
I know.
She's a nice, sweet genius.
My girls thank her.
Yeah, coming up next, today's special value from Evelyn and Bobby. You're going to look amazing under all these clothes. Hey, congratulations, friend.
Thank you. I love
I'm so
you.
glad you had such a good day. Love you right back.
Love y'all.
All right, don't go anywhere.
Mwah.
One more hour at the Today's Special Value.